Here we are, Butcher's Pet Care. Down the side of Costco is just on the other side of there. I didn't see no signs to not come down here or anything. I think it's a free pass. This place keeps you up all bloody night. I don't know why they make that noise at night, like compressed air. At least someone's having fun. It's like they shoot out a load of compressed air all night. And I've asked Costco, they said it's not them. They're saying it's Butcher's Pet Care that I've been complained about a few times. Yeah, go on in. Yeah. It's a bit boggy there. Oh, crap. Go in here. Go on, pup. Hey, Mare. Go in here. Good girl. Yeah. Place stinks, I know.